ACOPOWER sent me their 100-watt solar panel for my review. This is a different solar panel that I'm used to because it is completely modular, and they actually sent two because look at this. It is full-on framed, so you are able to put this on a standard racking mount, whether it's on an RV, on a boat, or even on top on the roof of your house, which is really nice. Now, it is 40 by 26. The cells will produce 12 volt power with this little adapter here. So this is what it comes with. They do not provide you with the cabling because of course it will depend on your setup. Right now, what I have here is a setup that will charge this power station. So we're gonna go ahead and charge it up. I'm in complete shade, but we will try it out in a few seconds in complete sunlight to kind of see the difference in wattage that this thing can produce. So how this usually works is you've got a couple of different hookups here. This hookup right there will go right here, just like that, and it snaps on. Second one, just like that, snaps on. They're different, so you know exactly which one. You can't mess this up. You can't go with one and the other. They really just are proprietary. And then on this side, in my case, I've got different ways to do this because I could hook it up to a 12-volt battery, a power station like I'm about to do here, or charge up anything else here with this other adapter, which is a nice little plus. So we're going to use the yellow one, and all it is I'm going to hook it up right here. It will give me some 12 volt power. So I'm going to turn it on. And it's turned on right now. And you're going to see right now, nothing 1.6. So it is figuring out that there's a little bit of sunlight going onto this panel. I'm going to turn it just like this. Again, we are in the shade. So you can see we're about 6 watts an hour. So this is going to take forever to charge, of course, because we're in the shade. But obviously, you would be setting it up in sunlight in the best possible position. We're going to do that right now and check out what difference it makes. So it is actually in pure sunlight. Obviously, there is no shade, not a cloud in the sky. And of course, you have to understand a 100-watt solar panel will never produce 100 watts of energy like that. There is always a little bit of a increment down. But we're going to look at what it's doing right now. Look at this. We are 80.8. And it's going to hover depending on, see, like if I put my arm in front of it or my hand in front of it, it's going to kind of play. But if it's completely sun and the sun is hitting it 100%, we're getting 80 watts. So that power station can get charged up in about 6 hours, which is amazing because then I can charge up so many other devices with it. But the cool thing with this is that it's modular. So you can actually have 20, 30, 40 of these in series or in parallel on your roof, on your RV site, wherever, and produce way more energy, provided you've got the battery to keep it in as well. But yeah, this thing, I love the framing. I love how light it is. I love that it's made of aluminum. And yeah, for me, it's the fact that you can set it up, brackets right here, just set it up, standardize it on any type of roof, and you are good to go. This thing is awesome.